In the competitive world of metals manufacturing, our client faced a complex challenge. How can they increase both the number of leads and lead quality while competing with over 20 other companies in pay-per-click advertising? With years of experience and a track record of overcoming similar marketing challenges, Dream Factory Agency's expertise in business-to-business marketing generated a breakthrough. We created a focused strategy by tailoring campaigns and content to ever-evolving market trends. We also modified key campaign components, such as keywords, landing pages, and targeting, while adding automation and additional marketing technology. These changes improved our clients' standing versus their competitors, leading to a 210% increase in lead generation and a 65% boost in marketing efficiency during the first 4 months of campaign management. Our research also found new markets to explore, generating additional opportunities for revenue. If you're facing similar business-to-business marketing challenges, contact Dream Factory Agency, where we turn complex problems into success stories.